Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of the set. In the previous video we have discussed that what is the meaning of set and how can we identify that the given data is a set or not. Today we are going to discuss the different method to writing a set, that is description of a set. See, a set is often described in the following two form, that is, number one is roster form or tabular form, and second, set builder form. We have two methods for writing a set. Number one, roster form or tabular form, and number two is set builder form. So let us discuss that what is the difference between these two methods and how can we write the given sets in these two methods. So at first, number one, roster form. See, in this method, the set is described by listing elements separated by commas within curly braces. Okay, so whenever we have the data and the data belongs to a set, and when we are writing the elements of set inside the curly bracket, then that method of writing the set, that method of representing a set is said to be the roster form. Example, if I am telling you that I have a set which is the collection of all vowels, so I can write it like this, that set A equals to A, E, I, O, U. So here I have written all the elements of this set inside the curly braces, and I have separated all the elements with the help of the commas. So this method is said to be the roster form, or you can say tabular form. Another example, if I have set B, all natural numbers less than 5. So this is a sentence, but this can be written as like this: set B equals to all the natural number which is less than 5 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So either I will write this set as this, or I can write the set as this. Both have the same meaning. So this method of writing the set is said to be the roster form. I think this is clear to you. We will discuss more problem. Now come to the set builder form. The second method is set builder form. So in set builder form, what happened? In set builder form, we are writing the properties of the elements of the set. Set builder form. In this form, the set is described by a characterizing property of elements X of set. Okay, and here we are writing the set, we are representing the set. In such cases, a set is described by X such that Px holds or X Px holds, which is read as the set of all x such that Px holds the symbol, this line or this column are as such that. Okay, see, I'm explaining you. In set builder form, we are not writing the elements, all the elements of the set, but we are writing the properties only inside the curly brackets in this form. X such that Px holds, or X such, this lines means also such that Px holds. So see how we are writing. Suppose I have a set A set A and written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a set. Now if I want to write this in set builder form, I will mention the properties of this element. So what are the properties of this element? As you can see that these numbers are the natural number. So we can say all the natural number which is less than 7. They are less than 7. So here I can write x such that x is element of natural number. As I have told you that to represent natural number we are using the capital N. So here I can write x such that x is the element of natural number and x is greater than equals to 1. X is greater than equals to 1 but less than 7. So by reading this also you will get this element. So here I have mentioned the properties of this element, that we have some natural number which is more than or equal to 1 but they are less than 7. So this is the set. So this method of writing the set is said to be the set builder form. More I am explaining you. Suppose I have a set B like 1, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, sorry, this will be, okay, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and so and so. So these all are the elements given. Now if I tell you that write down this in the set builder form, what you will do, we can write it like this. X is x element of, now see, they are not natural numbers, so we cannot write natural number. Here we have to observe that what is the pattern here. So you will observe that here the numerator of all the numbers are 1. So we will write 1 by. The denominators are 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So can we write here the numerators are n, and how they are n? This n is belongs to greater than or equal to 1 but less than 6. Means n is starting from 1 but it is still 5 only, so less than 6. So we can write 1 by 1. Now if I will not write this one, I will write only this one, and if I tell you that write down what will be the element of this, with the help of this you can write 1 by n, and we have to start from 1. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So again we will get the same element. So this is set builder form and this is roster form. I hope these all are clear to you. Now in the next video I will explain you with lots of example so that the difference between these two methods of writing the set will get very much clear with you all. Thank you.